with immense admiration and respect that we focus on the person who caused it to actually happen. She is a phenomenal, exuberant, resilient, humble, visionary leader and educator whose unswerving educational commitment has transformed the Liberty Learning Center into a beacon of hope and opportunity for everyone who enters its doors. And she wears many hats, as you know. Under her instructional guidance, for the past 10 years, the school has flourished, nurturing the minds of hearts and hungry students, while fostering a community rooted in inclusivity and excellence. Looking back, Mrs. Brent Harris began, which you heard earlier on, her educational journey at the Liberty Learning Center in Buff Bay, Portland, where she started with a handful of students. While managing the institution of Buff Bay and then traversing from St. Anne, Portland, in the year 2014, she acquired Liberty Learning Center in Toa St. Mary. Here, she has made an incredible mark on the faculty. Initially, 70 students were enrolled. However, the student body has impressively grown to 430 within a decade, a testament of her dedication as a visionary leader. Liberty Learning Center became the first registered early childhood institution in St. Mary to have gained full compliant certification. Under her leadership, the Liberty Learning Center has epitomized growth, innovation, and a commitment to providing quality education aligned with structured vision and mission goals with 7 focal points and modules. These include creating a positive and supportive atmosphere with student development that inspires excellence, emphasizing skill development for helpful life choices and wholesome behaviors, committing to train staff in professional development and innovative teaching methods, providing opportunities for holistic, comprehensive education and development across various domains, promoting core values, which include honesty, friendship, loyalty, and truthfulness among students. Mrs. Brent Harris, as a visionary leader, focuses on sustainable growth rather than immediate results by investing in programs that instill leadership qualities in students and staff alike. Mrs. Brent Harris has fulfilled the mantra of Gandhi, saying, "A true leader is not measured by the number of followers they have, but by the number of leaders they inspire." She has inspired many leaders throughout her 10-year term. Under her leadership, Liberty Learning Center has become a top-performing arts school in St. Mary that has earned numerous national awards, excelled in external examinations, and participated in various clubs and societies. Mrs. Brent Harris often expresses her passion for teaching in these words: "School and teaching are my unquenchable passion." Like Rumi, the 13th century Persian poet, Mrs. Brent Harris views every child as a different kind of flower, which altogether make the world a beautiful garden. She believes in nurturing each student's unique potential. To further reinforce Rumi's view, by taking students home on weekends for additional assistance. Despite the challenges, including emotional moments when faced with students struggling academically before critical examinations, this determined educator yields positive changes as she inspires progress among her students. Without a doubt, Mrs. Brett Harris exemplifies a visionary and inspirational leader whose guiding principles revolve around Philippians 4 verse 30, which says, I can do all things through Christ who inspires, who strengthens. So, especially to you, my dear sister, you are the reason we are here, so I have to share with everybody. Through your unswerving commitment to educational excellence, you have cultivated a generation of leaders who will carry forward your compassionate legacy, innovation, and dedication. We are profoundly grateful for your tireless efforts to create an inclusive, family-like environment where students and staff or anyone who enters through these doors feel empowered and valued. Your initiatives have enriched the educational experience at Liberty Learning Center, where you have ensured that all students have access to quality learning opportunities. As we honor our invaluable Mrs. Rosemary Brett Harris, we recognize that your influence extends far beyond the walls of our school into many places. You have instilled in us the belief that every child has the potential to succeed, and you have worked diligently to provide the tools we need to thrive. You have inspired us to be our best selves. We are delighted to celebrate your remarkable achievements today on the 10th anniversary of this noble institution. Thank you, Mrs. Brett Harris. My lovely audience, please